Jamal, the recycled trashes. Good. You're right, the recycled trashes. But the recycled trashes doesn't stay in the can. When it stay in the garbage can, the truck comes and takes them away, and then they take them to a factory, and then in the factory they make them recycle like a piece of can turn into a watch or a clock, chair, or a shirt, those things. But garbage that doesn't become recycled stays there in the factory, I think. And they do that to keep the planet Earth so clean. If they don't do that, then the planet Earth will be a big, big mess. And that is why we take them to a factory and some get recycled, some don't. And that's how all of the planet is really clean, but some places are not, but they always come and clean the roads. And that's how the planet Earth is clean, and some are not. And that's why all of the creatures are happy, and it's easy them to catch some foods like rabbit and fish, those things. And if you want to our planet be clean, then you must take care of our planet Earth. And remember, we have only one planet Earth. We must take care of it. Bye. Wait. I will question that. How was that? Oh, Jamal, I like that. Say nearby. If you want to get some serious news and know about the natures, come on visit Jamal.com.